These disturbances.
Are our souls love. Yeah, anyway. Yeah. For me, this is one of the simplest modality workshop that I've attended in maybe 2 decades or so. So that's the beauty of it. It's so simple, so doable, no fancy, no frills around it, and very light, very energetic. So, and yeah, as we were discussing a couple of minutes ago, it actually helps us go deep inside. And what Shoma was also asking, why we say soul's love. So maybe yeah, the word soul and what you were talking about, the subconscious and all. Yeah, and maybe it will give a road for us to go tap into our subconscious, or deep rooted something inside the soul. Um, Here in India, we believe karmically also, right? So soul journey and evolution. So whatever I am doing today or facing today is my soul's love, right? So maybe yeah, there was a strong connect. I felt strongly connected. Very simple, so easy to do, so easy to workshop again. And wow, facilitator, superb.
I love when people say that. Thank you.
When you say it is soul's love, maybe the connect is much more easier. I don't see any barrier coming up or any resistance because it's your soul's love. You know, the connection is really good and deeper. Yeah, it's your journey. That's what you will be aware of.
Rajani, we don't have time. Otherwise, there's another, a sort of story which I get into. But money is such a thing that we can just go on for another, 2-3 hours and it will not end. So, for the practical purposes of the workshop, we are teaching a technique. So you can work on it. If you want to, work on more, then that's different classes we do. Okay, Shoma.
So is there?
Okay, right now just say what you liked, what you loved, and anything you wish to say else, and then I'll stop the recording and then we can get back.
Yeah, I'm new to the modality and I'm looking forward to really try out on my situations and day-to-day situations. And I'll definitely give a feedback soon to you, Supriya.
When you say try, you will never do. So say, I will do it.
I will do it. And I'm really looking forward to do it starting tonight. So, so please do send us the 3 lines that we need to and how we need to.
I'll tell you. Khadija?
Definitely my new experience to this modality, but it was the fastest one. I really could feel the difference in me when we were going through that. I'm really grateful to be here and looking forward for more.
Yes, Supriya.
Aruna?
For me, any spiritual practice, including soul, I feel it's not theoretically, it may be to tap the subconscious mind. But for me, I believe that all these practices, for me, it is to clear and work out on the filters. The filters are the one who create the problems in subconscious mind and conscious mind. So it is very easy when you see all these practices being helping in your critical filters, automatically your subconscious mind gets cleared. So I feel it is more supporting me in changing my belief. So somewhere at one point of time, we also become so comfort about being in the fear also.
There is comfort in fear. There is comfort in
definitely. See, if I say I am fear of dog, I may like it. If I go one step beyond my belief, I may like it. So, but still I want to and love to be in that, comfort zone of being in fear. So all these practices will help me in clearing the thoughts, understandings and beliefs in the filter level.
The filter level.
Yeah, she's a psychologist, so she'll say at the filter level. To the point, precise.
Nicely explained.
Chaitanya?
For me, I think, soul level as per astrology, I think karmic equations, everything, it is been bound. So So I think we can release much more easily whatever the karmic equations that are being bind to the soul with this kind of modality. Yeah, it has been simply superb, which I have experienced totally in this session, because I was yawning. The energy release was so high that even I don't know that it has been releasing, but it has been releasing. Without my knowledge itself, it has been releasing.
In
I
workshops, when physical workshops there, we put up tissues also around. So it's fun, we'll just take out and like, acha, ye bhi rakha tha. Okay, cool. So we are laughing, we are
Oh.
releasing, we are laughing, we are crying. And it's not just crying, it's a just tears flow and we don't know why they're flowing. So it's a deep release. We don't even know what it is sometimes.
Yeah,
So
I think applying logical mind is somewhat logical mind itself is a filter where if you release that, like in the sense, if you just remove that thin logic, this thing in between the mind, which has been there, like subconscious mind and the mind, it will merge, and whatever the thoughts that are
everything
been
is
there,
required. Logical mind is
yeah,
also very required.
yeah,
Very,
it is
very
required.
required.
It is definitely it is required, but yeah, applying too much of logic is also a problem. So
To
yeah,
have a balance.
it
So
needs to be
that's an
balanced.
awareness. Rumi?
Yeah, it was a great experience for me as it was a first class with you, and I'm glad that I attended it. So thank you so much, Supriya.
Who else? Lata. Okay, maybe she's away a little. Okay, cool. So thank you everyone for attending this workshop.
Thank you
It
so
was
much,
lovely
Supriya.
to have, and two couples in my workshop, which is great. So okay, I'll just stop.
Thank you.